I've got a beautiful new Kellofaplan Valentine's box to share with you, and it has a really special heart behind it. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I'm very honored to share with you a special box from Kellofaplan. This is a Valentine's theme Kellofaplan box. You know these are full of all kinds of goodies, but there is a really special purpose behind this box. This box, the profits from this box are going to go to support a very sweet family that Heather Kell is friends with. The daughter in that family, she is 2. She is in the hospital awaiting a heart transplant, has been very ill since the middle of the summer. And of course, with that comes all kinds of financial burdens on the family. And so Heather very generously, out of her love for this sweet family, wants to donate all of the profits from this box. If this Kellofaplan box sells out, they will be able to cover 5 months of the health insurance expenses, which would be such an amazing blessing. So even before you see the contents, this box is well worth your time, and I just very much hope that you will take the time to go and shop. Now, the release is January the 2nd, which is a Thursday. That's different from normal Kellofaplan. So January the 2nd at 8 p.m. Central Time. That's 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So different release time than normal for Kellofaplan. So make sure to mark your calendars. I will definitely have posts that go live to let you know that it has gone live. But otherwise, let's open the box, see what's in. But I wanted to just start with that really special story, and I hope you will consider shopping this box. All right, if you want to see what's inside, let's go. Okay, I love the Kellofaplan boxes, Kellofaplan, because they're full of all kinds of goodies. And you guys, this is a beautiful heart theme in honor of sweet Olivia. So let's check out all of the goodies. We're going to open them up kind of one by one. This pencil pouch, I can't even. First of all, I imagine that little Olivia will love all of these little things, but look at this with the patch on it. Beautiful gold zipper, big, pink, fun. It's fun to change out your pouches throughout the year. I know we all have like our go-tos, our favorites, but changing them out seasonally just kind of freshens your supplies, which is super fun as we kind of get ready. I can't believe like it's January. It's, you guys, everything is coming so darn fast. It is ridiculous. So love, love, love this pink pouch right here. Look at the sweet bracelet. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, you can tell I love a good bracelet. Oh my gosh, I love that. A beautiful little friendship bracelet. It fits my wrists, and I do not have small wrists, so that's pretty awesome. Loving that. Super cute. Oh my gosh, all the goodies. That's kind of my favorite part. I love the stickers, of course, but the goodies are always so fun in these boxes. They're just special little things that you may not normally buy for yourself. So we have a beautiful pen. Loving that. I love the little heart at the top. It's like a rose gold almost. That is super pretty. Then we have, let's see, these are, oh, these are pencil loops. Stop it. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. You guys, these are pen loops, I think. Yeah, okay. So totally, this has a backing. You pull off the backing. It is super sticky. And then you put it on the inside of your planner, or on the, you can put it on the outside too. And it's a little pen loop that holds it in place. How adorable. Oh, I'm loving that. That is super cute. Oh, that's great. Okay, that's super cute. You have a pink and a red. And then this, I think these are Post-it notes. And are they rainbow? Let's see. I think these are little tiny heart Post-it notes. Oh, they are, you guys. They're in all different colors. You have like a khaki, a teal, a pink, and a red. These I feel like would be perfectly sized for your monthly. like as you're adding little post-it notes throughout the month. That is so fun. It's just the fact that there's different stuff each time. Like I have never seen these pen loops like this before with this kind of faux leather. That's so cute, so adorable. Okay, this is called Love Washi. We have 6 rolls. Let's check them out. These are always gonna coordinate with the stickers, which is a lot of fun. Okay, let's see what we got. Oops, those are stuck together. Let's swatch these out, shall we? So we have the hearts, adorable, loving. That is kind of like I think those are like little tiny flowers. Those are tiny, tiny, but very cute. Almost looks like spray paint, honestly. And then we have some hearts again in like a confetti look. That is very pretty. This one is a gingham. Here for that. So cute. Then we have some roses. All of this is giving all the Valentine's Day feels, of course. All the roses. Love, and I think these are some more florals. I love that these are smaller rolls, first of all. Let's check out these florals at the top. And that they are seasonal. A couple of them, of course, you could use throughout the year. These don't just mean February. But I like having some seasonal washies to pull from during the year or during that particular season. I kind of gather mine up, and you can put these all on one washi ring. That way you have them ready to go for the month of February to create all your love spreads. Let's move these out of the way. But 6 rolls of washi, that is pretty darn amazing. Love, love, love that. Then we have a couple of other great things with the kit. Let's move this here. Of course, the stickers, we're going to look at that in a second, but it looks like, now I don't know if this is a notebook or a journal. Let's check it out. Okay. First of all, let me start by saying it's a beautiful cover. Gorgeous roses, and it's a nice, thick cover. This one is going to hold up over time. You have, oh, I like this. It almost looks like faux glitter on the inside, that kind of gingham look. Very pretty. Gorgeous for changing out your planner for the month of February, perhaps. It looks like this might be a journal. Plastic red discs right here. Let's check it out. So, beautiful dividers. I love that they are front and back so you can reuse them. All right, I feel like this is a self-love journal. Okay, so you circle the month, self-love reflection. This one says, write a letter to yourself at the beginning of the month, offering words of love and encouragement for this month. Make a list of all the things that made you happy this month. Write about a moment from this month where you made yourself proud. Explain why you were proud of yourself. And write a letter to yourself at the end of the month, celebrating the things that went well this month. Write down 4 things that you are proud of yourself for this month. Very cool. Then you have your monthly outline. This would be a great place to write gratitude, a highlight of the day, something like that. And then this is what I was saying. Look, those will fit so well. That'll be super cute. Loving. And then we go into the journaling portion. So self-affirmation, something I love about myself today, how I am practicing self-care this week, I am grateful for, and today I am proud of myself for. And then this middle prompt changes throughout the week. What is one thing I can forgive myself for today? How did I show kindness to myself today? What is something I need to let go of? How am I growing emotionally? How can I prioritize my happiness today? And how can I recharge this week? So this is just giving you a little snapshot, a little place to do just a quick journaling, which I think is fabulous. Sometimes we want to get in the habit of journaling, but it can be overwhelming to think I have to write paragraphs and paragraphs. This is going to take you no more than like 5-6 minutes to just come and fill in some of this stuff, which I think is a fabulous addition to your planner. So you have that over and over. You have different questions on this week. How am I nourishing my body? How can I step out of my comfort zone? What makes me feel beautiful inside and out? How do I express gratitude for my body? How can I set healthier boundaries? How can I show myself compassion, and why I am thankful for myself? Love that. Oh, there's a bunch of new ones. How do I honor my emotions? I won't read all these to you. So it looks like there's new ones throughout the month, which is fabulous. Also, if you like to do a little bit more journaling, maybe you like digging a little bit deeper, These would be fabulous to use as prompts in a different journal. So this might be like a check-in place, and then you might take this and jump it over to a different journal to give yourself a little bit more room. At the end, you have a month of gratitude. I love that. I love that this is like an easy entry into some self-love. I think it's fabulous that it's undated. This might not be something you want every month. This would be a great thing to put for your birthday month. Just as a little self-love during that month, or maybe during the difficult seasons of life. This would be a good thing to pop into your planner. You get that over and over. It looks like there are 6 months in here. That's fabulous. Guys, this is a good deal. Let's check out the different dividers. I'm always so impressed with what Heather Kell puts together. There's a lot of thought into it. And I feel like this is a good jumping off point, especially if you are wanting to do a bit more journaling. So let's check out the dividers. Beautiful kind of sketchy hearts right there. These are the florals that match the front. Very pretty. Love. This is the inside of the cover. Cute. I like the little pieces that look like glitter. I think that's super fun. Then we get into more roses. And last but not least, some fun animal prints. Loving. This is a cute little journal, you guys. What a fabulous gift this would be as well. I have a teenage daughter. I feel like this would be a fabulous gift for her during the difficult teenage years. This would be a great chance for her to reflect. So beautiful. A gift for you, a gift for someone else. I can see people buying multiple boxes, and I would imagine that this one is going to sell out. So that being said, let's check out the sticker book, because we all know that's what we probably came here for. Okay, sticker book is called Love Blossoms by Kellofaplan. Oh, the roses. It's just beautiful, romantic feeling. I love roses. I'm not gonna, like, it might be cliche, like, give me a dozen red roses. I love it. Those are beautiful. Oh, look at the little gnomes. I like the decor pieces. Like, I like the idea that you can, like, decorate your planner with your home decor stickers. That is super fun. 2 of this one. This is all on white sticker paper. If I'm being honest, I kind of prefer the white sticker paper. That's over clear sticker paper. If you agree with me, let me know in the comments below. I like white sticker paper. I think it's really easy to work with. Love the typewriter and the dog. Free kisses. Stop. So cute. Chocolate covered strawberries. Oh my goodness. Look at those girls. They are beautiful too. Oh, look. It's like a chapel. That looks kind of like a chapel. Be mine. Loving all of this. Look at the candy hearts for Valentine's candy. These are beautiful. Now, I get you might not want to use all these stickers all month long. You totally could, but this would be a great Valentine's book to kind of throw back to each year. Lots of functional boxes. Look at all of those. Oh my goodness. These are perfect. These fit inside the journal. If you know anything about Kellofaplan, she is fabulous at creating stickers that work within the journal. So you know that these size boxes will fit into the journal right here. You can also make them work in your regular weekly layouts. I love the bullet points. That is super cute. Love some great monthly stickers. There's a lot of function in this sticker book. Oh my goodness, this green, you guys. All the functional boxes. I'm here for that. Oh, stop. Look at these. So cool. That's a little confusing to like see what it is, but all of these have cutouts. These are all bullet points. These are all boxes. Loving that. This is cute. The numbers are really cute. Smaller ones too. Oh, I want to use those in my February planner. That is adorable. Here's your months of the year, so you can date the undated journal. Beautiful. Oh, I love these affirmations. I am enough. I'm good. I can do this. I am complete as I am. I am grateful. I can embrace change. There is room for me at the table. Love that. I will love myself. My heart knows its own way. I am thankful. Oh, these are great. I was wondering, because sometimes, you guys, sometimes I do try to write daily affirmations. And plus, let me just show you. First of all, there's 100% that is going to fit there. You know it's sized correctly. Sometimes I like to write daily affirmations, but I have trouble thinking of them. Like I sit down with the best of intentions, but they don't just come to me. And so having these stickers, I can see myself like pulling these stickers out of the sticker book and just having them in my planner for some daily affirmations, just to have like a reference. Oh, all these love quotes. Where there is love, there is life. Self-love is not selfish. Oh, these are beautiful. Love these quotes. Oh, look at the alpha. Oh, this is a fabulous size. Oh, it's not too big, not too small. Oh, I love the sizing that she chose. Those are great. You guys, this might be one of my favorite insert books. Sometimes with the theme books, I get a little tired of like, I don't need this many of this color, but there is so much functionality in this book, especially if you literally just look at the like black and white pages. That's stuff you're going to be able to use a ton, which I love. And then all those functional boxes. So really, yes, you get a plenty of decorative stickers, but it's not so much overkill that you're like, I can't imagine using this anymore. It's the functionality, which I absolutely love and appreciate. So that is this beautiful box, you guys. I'm like I said, really honored to share this Valentine's box with you all. I am so amazed by Heather Kell for so many reasons, and it is no shock to me that she has a big heart and is wanting to help her friend out. So let's make sure we help sell out this box. Again, it goes on sale Thursday, January the 2nd, 8 p.m. Central Time. That's 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Different release time than normal. Make sure to head on over to Kellofaplan and shop. I can't imagine that this won't sell out, and I hope and pray that it does sell out so that we can help this family as much as possible and also have some beautiful stickers to show for it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you have an absolutely fabulous day. I hope you go grab this box, and as always, keep it creative.